All right, all right, all right. Hey, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. This way I keep coming back for more. And I'll take any comment. And if you want me to look at a particular security, just let me know in the comments and I'll have a look at it. But right now, real quick, what can we say? To hell with these trend lines. We have busted through everything and we keep on keeping on. And we're heading for that 4,800. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 up days in a row. Nah, no Christmas rally this year. There's not much to say, man. Just ride this thing up. That's it. And we could look at every security. If it's not going up, you got to kind of question it. Lots of energy in the market. 240s are looking good. Let's see what the weeklies look like on the S&P because we had that divergence we were worried about. We still need this this momentum to break above that. I don't want to be a naysayer, but I wouldn't be surprised if this turns into a shooting star towards the end of the week. I didn't even get up there with this move. Or a dragonfly. So many creative names. So just start squeezing your stops right here. It's not very common that you get 4 up days in a row. Got 5 weeks of straight upward movement from October into November. We didn't have the divergence at that point, though. So that's all I got to say on the subject. Just watch the daily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Might come back and retest this trend line of 4,710. Way above the Keltners. Really overbought at this point. Like volume, it could keep floating up, and that's all I really think that it's doing. I mean, everybody's out at the Hamptons partying and vacationing, chilling out, and these markets just tend to float up like this. I mean, it could very well go, but I would squeeze my stop if you got in low. Just trail on a daily chart. That's all. So that's it. There's not much more I want to say on the topic. I am bullish now that we popped over this. Cautiously bullish, shall we say. And that's how it's going to remain. So everybody be cool. Have a good evening. Again, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the likes, hit the comments, and hit the road.